Amit Shah, whose reported conversations formed the alleged basis of the Snoopgate controversy, has refused to comment on the government's latest move. Amit Shah evading Times Now's questions on the Snoopgate probe.
स्नूपगेट के ऊपर कुछ बोलेंगे, एक जज अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं। मोदी जी अमेठी आएंगे क्या?
Let's go across to Abhishek, who's also joining us live. Abhishek, now as far as the BJP is concerned, they've attacked the Congress over its latest move, but Amit Shah so far has not said anything.
Well, you see, in off-the-record conversations, he maintains that there is already a commission set up by the Gujarat government and that is looking into it. So essentially, one is there is a grey area, whether the centre can set up a commission when there is already a commission under the Commission of Inquiry Act. Number two, even if the centre sets up a commission, the response from the Modi establishment is that because the Gujarat government commission has already worked and for about 2-3 months, they have already taken the statement of the police officer who had provided the tapes to the CBI. It is clear that by the time the union government set commission moves in any direction, the Gujarat government commission would have already come closer to a conclusion and possibly submitted a report. So essentially, it would be a commission versus commission. So in effect, people would have two versions of the same episode, and to that extent, it seems that from both the sides there would be responses shooting their own versions, and that is perhaps what is playing in the minds of the government here. Back to you.